Alright, for those of you who don't know, I got another car. So, I went and picked this up last weekend. Haven't actually had a chance to look at it yet. This car is actually the car that rolled down the assembly line right behind mine. If you look here, the VIN numbers are actually consecutive. So production number on this one now is 1915. It's a bit rough, but nothing I can't fix up. Rocker panels are solid. It's definitely going to need some tires. A little bit of clear coat peeling. This is the bad side here. So, got cord showing on the tires. Needs a fender, a door, and this door as well. Interior's mostly complete. I have a center console for it, so I'm not worried about having the blue one. So if anybody needs a blue one, let me know. I'll have this one for sale here soon. And it looks like it has a short shifter. Missing the radio. It's a bit dirty. It should clean up for the most part. We got some extra parts here. Like I said, I haven't gone through any of this stuff yet. Got a bunch of Wix filters. Sunroof motor. I don't know what's in there. Got sway bar links. Some vacuum lines, which that does not look. Yeah, it's missing some parts there on the vacuum lines. Battery tie down. More oil filters. Drain plug. Got here, chassis part. Outer tie rod in. This must be sway bar links for the front, I would assume. No. Inner tie rod ends. Okay. Not bad. Brake parts. Probably the springs for the front. It's actually a rear caliper kit. Let's see here. Stripped sunroof motor gear. Axle nuts, bearing nuts, C-clip for the wheel bearing, sway bar link, we already saw that, and zip ties and gaskets. Those are new valve cover gaskets. Clips for the side skirts. Which I do have the side skirts. Let's see here. What else we got back here? Let's we go. Aluminum subframe bushings. Yep. It's a full kit of the aluminum subframe bushings from PRT. These are fantastic. I have these on my other car and I love them. A little bit of a pain to put in, but it'll be worth it. Let's see here. Got gasket kit there. Got some of the plates to do a port match 3 liter, which I have to show you guys the motor yet. And some other gaskets there. Oval port 3 liter intake gaskets. The grill, which you guys could see earlier, which was missing. A piece of rear mesh. And these are bumper brackets, which will come in handy. Some EBC yellow stuff pads. And a rotor. It looks like they may have done just one side on this. It's got yellow stuff pads on it right now in the back. So, clear coat is peeling on the spoiler. Again, not a huge deal. Exhaust is hanging down. Probably an easy fix. The door handle doesn't work on the driver's door, so I have to open up this way. Again, shouldn't be too bad to fix. It does have the SVT floor mats, which have the typical hole in it, and missing our under piece here, which I have some spares of those. You can see the hole in the trunk, which the car did come with another trunk. Or, yeah, hole in the bumper, came with a spare bumper. We have a balloon trans, which came out of another car that the previous owner owned, or currently owns. We have some SVT valve covers, SVT heads, SVT upper intake. Got some SVT cams, power antenna, SVT fuel rail, another valve cover, old clutch, old water pump, motor mount. You can tell the 2.5 totally grenaded. It's part of a piston. Hole in the oil pan. Throttle body. Throttle cable bracket. We got a IMRC in there. A bunch of other parts. So with the way the car is sitting, you would think it doesn't have a motor. But apparently, from all the weight in the back, and having, I think it has a bat kit in the back. I think these are stock springs up front. This thing actually has a full 3 liter. So need some finishing touches on it yet. They had some issues with the fuel rail. Somebody tried to stick weld it, and it apparently leaked. So drop the gasket down in there. We'll get that out of there later. So it does have an AC delete. Everything's painted black. Looks like a new tensioner. Yeah, overall, it doesn't look too bad. Harness is in decent shape. And it does have MSDS headers. So, like I said, previous owner said he wasn't able to get this thing to run. So we'll have to figure that out. Weapon R intake. Haven't seen one of those in person yet. Kind of an old school thing. Gonna need some strut mounts. I like their little block off here for preventing vacuum leaks, I guess. So, like I said, the car did come with extra bumpers. It also came with a Merco splitter that goes on the front. But anyway, there it is.